Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. I'm making chicken poblano soup. I'm starting off by searing my poblano chili peppers. I toasted my poblano chili peppers and I put them in a glass container. Anything to let them sweat, and like a steam bath, basically. So I see some people put them in a plastic bag and just let them sweat like that. It makes it easier to peel them. I'll show you what I'm going to do afterwards. It's the same concept as when you're making chili relleno. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to peel my poblanos. And this is the easiest way that I have found. Okay, get a little stream of water. That is just for your fingers. And then you peel these. Peel your poblano. And the stream is only to allow all the chard to come off of your fingers. I don't know. This works for me. Look at that. Don't put it directly underneath the stream because it takes off a lot of the char flavor, and that's what I'm trying to keep. But you want to get rid of this burned char part, but it gives it a lot of flavor like this. This is the same thing I do when I make chili rellenos. Okay, a little stream of water helps you just get rid of all this stuff off your hand. Okay, so I just opened up my poblano and someone told me you just twist this off and then you open it up and you don't have that much to clean off. Okay, so we're going to chop this up into little pieces for our soup. We're going to take off these veins too. So I'm just cutting it down into small pieces like this. Okay, I think we're ready to start putting everything together. Everything is prepped. I have a jalapeno, a red bell pepper, a quarter of an onion. Here's my poblanos. I have a little bit of flour over there, some sour cream. This is 2 cups of chicken, just a rotisserie chicken. I have 2 cups. I have some garlic and some spices. I'll let you know what I'm doing as I go along. Oh, and I'm going to use a can of black beans and some Mexican corn. It says Mexican corn. Right here, I have 3 tablespoons of butter and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. To that, I'm going to add a quarter chopped onion. This is 1 chopped red bell pepper. 1 chopped jalapeno pepper. 2 garlic cloves, chopped really small. And here are my poblano chili peppers. Okay, so now I'm just going to mix all this together. Cook it for about 5 to 7 or 8 minutes. Let's get everything incorporated. Let's get everything all mixed together and softened. Okay, my peppers and onions have cooked down quite a bit. Now I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Okay, and this is going to be a thickener for my soup. I'm going to cook that for about a minute. Let's get it all mixed in. Okay, so now right here, I'm going to add my corn and my black beans, along with a half a cup of sour cream. Okay, and I'm putting that in on top of this because it's not really hot. I don't want it to curdle or anything. Okay, now I'm going to start adding my broth. This is 6 cups of broth. Okay, now I'm going to add my chicken. Okay, here's my chicken. And this is chicken I had left over from another recipe. I just froze it. Okay, gonna add that. Now, here's a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of cumin. Adding that. Okay, so once this has been really going for a while, I'm gonna taste it to see if it needs more salt. Okay, you always have to taste your food to make sure whether or not it needs salt. Okay, so we're gonna let this cook for a while because it's going to start to thicken. Okay, my soup is done. Look at this. It came out really good. Look at this. It's very tasty as well. Okay. So this is the last thing. Little spritz of lime. I'm not going to put too much in there, but it's supposed to add a little zing, according to the recipe. Okay. So this is yummy. Look at that. And here is my chicken poblano soup. It has a really good flavor, you guys, really good. I love to have it with some tortilla chips, and then I crumble them and put them on top. Yummy. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, hit the notification bell to get all my recipes, and I will see you next time.